Guru Nation, quick video. It's extremely hot here in California. I just finished a monitoring visit. It's easily above 110 right now, waiting on my Uber. So I got a question from a viewer on when is it appropriate and how should it be done when let's say a subject has an adverse event or has an abnormal lab finding or has an abnormal ECG result. What is the proper procedure for letting the patient's primary care physician know about the results, know about whatever it is that the site wants them to know about? This is obviously for the cases where the PI, the principal investigator of the study, is not the patient's treating physician. So we'll get into that right now. So when the PI is not the patient's treating physician, this viewer is asking, should they send the lab results, the ECG results, the progress notes when there's an adverse event or when the patient's having side effects or when they're having unusual lab results? And the answer is 100% yes, all the time. Every site needs to have their own SOPs for this. I know the concern might be you don't want to break the confidentiality disclosure agreement that you have with the sponsor, and there are ways to do this. Actually, most of the ways to do this will not break the confidentiality disclosure. Sending lab results, sending ECG results, sending a progress note without study specific information is not breaking the confidentiality. What I do at my site, and again, every site needs to develop their own SOPs for this. My sites, we give the patient a copy of their lab results. Let's say, for example, there's an abnormal lab finding, or let's say there's an abnormal ECG result, or let's say there's a progress note where the PI actually has concern and wants to refer the patient back to their primary care physician. You give them, the patient, a copy of that report, okay, and then it's up to the patient to take it to their primary care physician. Now you're documenting as the site that you did this, and you're documenting as the site that you have given the patient copy of the reports. So document and then give to the patient the copy. But of course, every site will have their own SOPs. Take care, talk to you soon.